Let's get organized in the new year. Join me today for some tips and a little tour through my fridge, freezer, and pantry to help yourself get and stay organized. Because when it comes to a healthy lifestyle, I find that is really one of the biggest factors, if you will, but a lot of people don't talk about it. So I'm gonna just pull back the curtain today, let you into my kitchen. If you were over here at a party, this is kind of how it would be, and I would let you poke around my fridge and freezer. So I wanted to show you that today. I've got a couple things to give an example for you about how you can stay organized when it comes to healthy meal prep, because I don't know about you, if I am not organized, healthy meal prep is not gonna happen. So you just take whatever idea works for you, but here's a couple things that work for me. Each shelf, it belongs to one person. Husband shelf, he's got his dinners up here. We like to kind of portion out lean and green style dinners. Portion size is key, so that's how come we keep it in Tupperwares. Of course, we warm it up at mealtime and it's really warm and yummy, but it's very healthful and a smaller portion already. Okay, so hubby shelf. All right, second thing, boys shelf for dinners. I wanted to show you, I will put their dinners together. See, I got two boys, you know, Gabriel and Michael. Okay, and then they have their little like casserole. Each week is something different, of course. Small portions, I just want to show you, small portions for each kiddo. Okay, yes, they share the banana. This is an awesome like hidden veggie kind of goulash, if you will. It's noodles and, you know, like a healthy cream sauce and meat all together with a lot of hidden veggies in there. So they chomp that down at dinner. I warm it up, it's really yummy for them, but this just helps keep it organized in the fridge. Oh, another cool tip too. I'll sometimes even write, like I have a babysitter coming today. Well, he's special, he's my dad. But I'll tell him this is the dinner plate please to give on Wednesday, because today happens to be a Wednesday. You can put notes on there for other people to help you stay organized. Okay, down here, this is my shelf. I've got some of my own dinners here, yummy, comfort, healthy food right here. And then I will just stack it up. Apparently the dog and I share a shelf because, you know, doggy has her food too. Something else that's really cool. So anyways, shelf, I wanted you to see-through containers. I wanted you to see. And then another really helpful tip is down here, I will keep the boys' lunches. Do you guys ever use stuff like this where it's a kind of an airtight container, inside is tiny little portions for the lunches? I'll put them together like this. I pull it out. This is tomorrow's lunch. I only have two in here right now. I'll show you. 2 days worth of lunches, but what you can do is make it ahead of time, like on a Sunday, for example. If you already have the lunch items out, you may as well make a couple days worth of lunches. And I will put them like this, stick them right back here. The last thing I wanted to show you in terms of organization, other than shelves, see-through containers, and using airtight containers ahead of time, is actually to use Ziploc bags for your snacks. Yes, I wash and reuse these. I'm not a big fan of waste or anything like that, so I just wanted to show you that. These are some cookies. If the boys say, I'm hungry, just draw some emojis below if your kids have ever said, I'm hungry, and it's after school and you're running around to the different activities. I get it. I have learned to keep cookies, actually 2 kinds of cookies, because we got peanut butter here and some double chocolate chip. These have sweet potato in them. They are amazing, hidden veggie plus protein. If you want the recipe for that, please let me know. I've got a great book available. It's awesome and easy for moms to do, especially if you're busy, because if I can do it, you can do it. So I also keep muffins. Whoop, there you go. Wanted to show you, these are fantastic snacks to send to school because they've got the hidden veggies in there, the protein all together in a small, you know, already portioned out size, and that way it's ready to go. So when somebody says, Mom, I'm hungry, I say, great, go grab a snack in the fridge. And they know, because I've shown them, that's the other key for organization for your family to eat healthier. You gotta tell them, hey kiddo, your stuff is here. It's right here. And then you show them. Look, and I will tell them, I've literally done this. Okay, Gabriel and Michael, these are your snacks right here. So the next time you're hungry and you want to, you know, cookie or muffin, you grab it right here. So show them, okay? So pause, quick, drop some emojis down below if this has been helpful for you so far. I just wanted you to see each shelf, the see-through containers, the airtight containers for the lunches, and the Ziploc bag idea where you wash and reuse them so you're not wasting anything. I think it saves a lot of money to do that too. And then it's easy for the kids to find it. And also you tell them, you gotta instruct your family gently and graciously, hey, this is where your stuff is. Go eat your stuff in here, and then I don't have to get up for them every 5 minutes. Right? Cool? Let me know if that's helpful for you. Okay. And then I just want to show you a quick, super fast in the freezer. I don't want to take too much more time here. I just want to show you, you can do a similar idea in the freezer. Oh, sorry, that got kind of crooked there. Okay. There, are you there? Okay. Thank you for those of you that are joining me. I hope this is fun and helpful. I wanted to show you, not only can you do the same shelf and bag idea, but portioning out ice cream is awesome for kiddos, for dinners, for fast treats, for, ooh, I want some ice cream. Instead of a big gallon container, you're guaranteed to have much better portion control, calorie control. It saves on, and then you don't feel deprived, right? You feel like, hey, I got my ice cream, but it's already a small size. And for those of you who've ever eaten more ice cream than you meant to, because I've done that too, especially if it's peanut butter, then you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so let me know if this is helpful for you so far. You can drop some emojis down below. And I do want to show you one thing in the pantry. I wanted to show you the use of vertical space, right? There we go. Okay. All right, I wanted to show you the use of vertical space right here. When I bought this kitchen, I was so excited, and we redid it a little bit, and I was like, ooh, yeah, big shelves. Well, turns out that's not a great idea unless you have use of vertical space. So these right here have given me more shelves. I just wanted you to see, these are not original. We added them, and they're actually modular, so you can take them out and turn them any which way. They're just like these little shelves that have like this on the legs here. And then see how I basically can get 3 shelves out of 1, right? And then you can see how you can stack things. It's very easy to see. And that way things stay organized, because I told you at the beginning of this video, I not only want to share with you how to get organized, I want to share with you how to stay organized. So I hope this was helpful for you today. Please let me know down below. If you want the recipe book, let me know. You can say that down